Hey guys, it's Zebra Stripes and it's nighttime at my place, so people that are in the world are poor. Some people that are poor, I feel bad for, because every year when they don't get food, they don't get food or drink, they run out of hunger, and then they die. So I just ate popcorn, and it was fun. Like, I was watching TV, and it was someone, and it was fun. You know how I said Purple Lemon lives in green leaves? Well, she's gonna sleep over tonight. And that's it. So subscribe. Bye.